Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This little guy's Popeye. Amelia's taking a nap, which is cool. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. We're gonna have some fun today. There's not much to say about the beginning of this one, except that it's been a while since we've done anything with these Huina toys. I don't know how to say it, but it's plastered all on the side. They're kind of amazing. They look really good. The scale detail, I think, is awesome. The collar is cool. I just am always really impressed with these. And just at first glance, you know, thinking if that was just a toy that you buy at Walmart or something that, you know, you just kind of push around, that's cool in and of itself. Plastic, that'd be okay. But they go above and beyond. There's metal up here. This whole little cockpit, you know, where the guy sits, that's all metal with a little bit of plastic detail on it. And then the big claw on the front, metal. And there's a little bit of metal throughout, but that's really it. Now this isn't just a little car or truck that you push around, it's remote control. And that's really cool. Huina Toys, we've done a big log grabber, we've done a backhoe, we've done a dump truck. I think we had maybe a bulldozer.
I think it's been since almost Easter.
Like last
when
year.
we did the Easter eggs.
Yeah, the Easter egg hunt,
Yeah.
the FPV log grabber. That was fun.
That was when we knew we were pregnant, but no one else did.
Yes, that was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Well, now we've got a log grabber, like a front end loader log grabber. I don't really know the technical terms or anything. I just know that that's what this is designed to do. Grab logs, pick them up, and load them. And this comes with a little plastic log. That's pretty cool. Now, you know, if it's great, I'll tell you. If it's not, I'll tell you. I'll let you know pros and cons. I already think I know what the pros and cons are going to be of this, but I love Huina Toys. I have plans to do a few more this winter because it's such a great time to do these. Some of them are nicer than others. Some of them are all kind of built on the same chassis. You can see the level of clearance on this one is very little, so you're going to want to drive it on concrete or inside. And so being bored in the winter, this is so perfect for this kind of time of the year. I love this. And oh my gosh, do you remember the forklift we did? Mm-hmm. That lifted like 5 full bottles of water. That was so much fun. You know, good stuff and bad stuff. I've always wished they would make like a $400 or $500 version of this kind of thing, because the stuff you could do with it would
Guess
just
what? What? They do now.
Oh, we might have to see what we can do.
Guess what?
What?
There might be one in the garage.
There might be, I know. So more construction vehicles coming, but this, I wanted to kind of break the ice a little bit. I wanted to kind of break the ice a little bit with a little guy, you know, to get us all built up to it. And to reintroduce you guys back into Huina Toys. So it's rechargeable too. Here's the little USB cord. The battery goes in the bottom of the truck right there. And then we just turn this on. 2 AA batteries, right, Abby? In the transmitter. It's awesome. Turn this on. Actually, I think it's already on. Yeah, because we were playing around with it before the video. And then we've got the log. This is just plastic and hollow, so that's not heavy at all. But it's kind of cool, especially for kids or a big kid at heart. And then Popeye's probably going to bark here, but I want to show you the control of it on the table so you can see the detail. I want you to see how the front end works before everything else, because there's only 2 buttons on the transmitter. This one's really simple, and I'm going to tell you what the negative part of this truck is here in a second, but just watch. This is cool. I like the articulation. It looks good. So we're open down here.
No, please don't scratch my table.
We won't do it on the table. We load it up and then we lift. We close and lift in the same motion, right? The downside to this whole system is that this button really does the same thing. I can do this one or this one, but it just reverses the motor. And watch what I do. I'll hold this, it unloads it, right? And then I guess we would want to reverse to get it to close again, then we can back away from the dump truck or whatever. Anyway, the true fun in this is going to be just driving it around and picking up some of Popeye's toys. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to scatter some of his toys around, see if we can pick them up with the log, see if we can pick the log up, and do a little bit of FPV on this guy. So that should be a lot of fun. The best part about this is it's only about $35. That's so cool. We'll have a link in the description box below for you guys if you want to check it out for yourself.
Bye-bye.
Okay, this should be fun. We've got the camera mounted up. Hey buddy. Now, the way the controls work, I didn't even really go over this with you guys. Check this out. See, we've got, you can kind of pull them both back, push them both at the same time. You can do one or the other. So let's throw some of these back here. Bye-bye, be careful, buddy. Let's see if we can get the one that looks like the log, that orange one.
It says, dogs rule.
Dogs do rule. For those of you that are cat owners. Okay, let's see. Oh, his other toy's in the way. I have to move that.
I got it.
See if I can do this.
It's gonna get stuck on the carpet.
Yeah, it's stuck on the carpet. So I gotta get a little closer.
Oh no.
Okay, here we go. I think I can do it like this. It's kind of a funny shape. But
You can squeeze it closed.
Yeah, nice.
Papa, it's got your toy. Oh no.
Oh jeez. This is gonna take a minute to get used to. How did I? There's one way. Yeah, okay. Kind of goes on it. There. Oh no. Oh no. This is much harder than it looks. Even though it's only 2 buttons.
Don't let it open. There you go.
Hollow it about like that. Where are we going with this, Popeye? Tell me, buddy. You're going the. Popeye, you're so fast.
He says, I'm keeping my toys right there. Put my toys over here, Daddy.
Where do you want them? Where do you want them, buddy? Right there?
The gray one
behind the Huina? Yeah, see, I got this one out because I thought, well, maybe we'll load it up into the basket with that one later. So we'll put them in a pile right here for you, buddy. Let's just go ahead and drop that. Get this. Okay, here we go, dude. Here we go. Coming at you.
And get the duck.
And then I check out the lights, too. Did I even notice the lights in there?
That's cool.
They look good.
Oh,
Okay, duck is next.
Tail lights, too.
Yeah, very cool. Okay, let's see. I think the strategy now is to go down on top.
He's like, anything but my favorite toy.
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta definitely attack it from above.
top.
Yeah.
At least on the carpet.
Yeah. Carpet's getting in the way here. Okay, can we get it, buddy? I'm definitely grabbing it. Yeah, okay. There we go. Help me out, Popeye. Help me out. Help me out, dude. Come on, let's go drop it off. Let's go drop it off.
The duck!
And we can just drive right over the donkey. And drop. Boom. Okay.
Here, try the green one.
Love these construction things.
No, no.
Oh, not the green one. Okay, toss the log out there. Let's see if I can actually get the log. So, again, on carpet, gotta go from above.
You're getting good at this.
There we go. Oh, I'm picking up the whole carpet. Okay.
Oh, jeez. At least this isn't our new carpet.
That's right.
Downstairs is the old carpet.
I'm liking this. Okay, Popeye, you can't have the log, but we'll pretend like it's one of your toys for now. There we go. We just drop it like that. And ta-da! Yeah, definitely for a toy, this is pretty amazing. I love it. I love that it has metal. Like, not all metal. It's just some metal. All this chaos on our channel here. I love that there's metal on this. You know, you can have fun adding the camera like we just did. I'm addicted to this stuff. I mean, I could sit on the couch and play with this stuff all day, just like video games. I don't think I got a big enough grip to get this.
I don't know.
We'll see. Maybe
it's lifting it.
Oh no, nope.
That was too big.
Not a big enough grab there. Oh, well, we can get the little cloth one right here. Let's get that one. Hope I hate this.
He's a good sport.
These things are just so much fun.
Oh,
Is
no.
it slipping through the cracks?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Oh, Papa, that one won't work.
Can you pick up the cow?
Let's go for it. Let's go.
Papa is like, my toy!
Yeah.
And he dropped it to protect his red Pong. He loves that thing.
Let's see. You have to go a certain way, like, in order. There you go. See, you want it to be open. I love these construction toys, and now with Amelia getting a little bit older and stuff, this is going to be so much. Oh no, it's slipping too.
Her poor Barbies, I can see them in that claw right now.
Yeah, that's right.
Uh-oh.
Got hooked on the carpet.
Yeah, it did. Back up a little. There you go.
I can drag it. We're going to drag the cow, Popeye. This is like one of his new favorites, too, so I feel bad for him. We'll drag the cow.
Uh-oh, you might have to lift it up over that, though.
Yeah.
Oh, he's so concerned.
It's slipping out. I don't know if I can do this.
You're a good boy.
There we go. Oh, I just drove over it. Okay. All right. Well, I think we did about as good as we could picking up the toys.
Popeye, everybody says thank you for letting us play with your toys.
Thanks for loaning them to us, Popeye.
They're all yours now.
Guys, thanks a lot for watching. We'll have this linked in the description box below. It is so cool, so much fun. And if you've missed our other videos like these here, they're so cool. They're so much worth checking out. I'll do my best to link some of them for you because I just love these construction vehicles. They're so much fun. Inside, outside, doesn't matter if you have good weather, bad weather. Just if you're stuck inside, this is just cool. Sit on the couch, tell your kids to make a mess, and you can clean up the mess while they're playing with their Legos or whatever. You know, I just makes me smile. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.